All right, everybody, what's going on? Scrapping with Grandpa. I'm out here with Blake. This is my non-ferrous scrap guy. This is where I bring my non-ferrous metal. You always see me going out to the Southern Metal Recycling to drop off my shred metal. This is where I bring my non-ferrous metal because Blake's my buddy and he gives me a great price. And yesterday I was at my house and I tried to make a video on how to get the rubber off of a aluminum rim, and I was having a stinking fit. I actually got so mad I just threw my sawzall down and said, my English, apparently I don't know how to do it. So I came out here, I was talking to Blake, and he says, man, I've got the deal. I know how to do that. We need to make a video. I'll show you how to do that. So come on out tomorrow, and today's tomorrow. And he said, let's just cut some off real quick and I'll show you how to do it and we'll get to make a video and blah, blah, blah. And here we are, Blake, Superior Casting. He's an awesome dude. And we're gonna make a video on how to actually really do it. Not like I was doing it yesterday. I'm telling you right now, I spent 15 minutes trying to cut through that daggum. It's gotta be a stainless steel. Yeah. Unbelievable hard to cut. And I was so mad by the time I was done. I literally threw my sawzall on the ground and said, heck with it. Full speed ahead. Move that tire over to the side, grab your grinder. Very smoky. Look at that. Oh my word.
So we're gonna stop right there because
that was a minute.
So buy a good quality grinder bit.
Yeah, don't use
blade.
These.
Yeah, I didn't get the right one.
I'm a little bit surprised that it wore out that quick,
yeah,
just heating that rubber.
I am too. Well, you know, we did one test one and then
yes,
two,
we did.
Two others,
so that's three.
So I did three.
Three.
If you get a higher quality one, it'll last for at least it'll last half that pile.
Like a diamond tip or something like that.
Yeah, so that's how easy it is.
Wow, that is freaking amazing, guys. I can't believe how fast you did that. I was actually 1 minute. Now, the best thing you can do for Blake is bring that thing in with the rubber on it because he's going to make a crap ton of money off of you bringing that rubber in here because you have a place, Blake, where you can bring these tires for free, correct?
Yeah.
Doesn't cost you a dime.
Some of your dumps will do it for free because they actually sell it for the rubber. So
that is awesome. Man, that is awesome. So are we going to put another blade on?
Yeah, you want to do another one?
Let's do another one with one of the diamond tip blade or something like that. Maybe we can make that work out. We got MacGyver here, so yeah, MacGyver. That, if you notice, that was 60 seconds. It was 60 seconds to cut that thing off, start to finish. When I spent 15 minutes on one and went through an entire blade. So don't use these. Do not use that. That is garbage. But this blade that he used is called the Edge. And man, I'm telling you something, that thing is amazing. And we're going to put a diamond cutting blade on this here because like you said, these blades will wear out fairly quick because that metal that is around these tires, let me see if I can even see it.
Yeah, you can.
Can you see it? Yeah, that little bit of metal right there. Yeah, you can actually see it. That is a stainless steel apparently. And let me tell you something, that blade right there is not going to cut it. Not going to cut it. It's bouncing, flipping all over the place. Them little strands that are in there. It is unbelievable trying to cut that.
Here, so if you come across the tire where it's not snug up against the rim.
Yes, like this one.
That is a huge pain in the butt if you try to cut that with that method. It'll still work, but it's just nowhere going to be. It's not going to be nowhere as neat or easy as doing it on one like this.
Blake, you don't even know how thankful I am that that I met you.
Well, I mean, I did the.
I've really done some great deals with Blake. He's an amazing guy. He's actually met Silver Scorpion, so Silver Scorpion, say hello to your buddy Blake.
He was a good guy too.
Yeah, man, I love Silver. All right, here we go. Here we go. Now we got a real blade. 1,000 plus cuts. That's what we needed to start with.
We'll see.
Yeah, let's see how this works. We're gonna do it again. 10 seconds. 20 seconds. 35 seconds. Holy smoke, dude. You hear me? 35 seconds, everybody. Man, that was sweet, man. 15 minutes it took me. I was so mad. Hey, nobody would want to have been around me yesterday when I was cutting my tire off because I was some mad son of a biscuit.
I need some water.
That is great, dude. I'm talking about that's quick. Now, can you find anybody that's done it faster than that? I don't think so. And
I'll challenge him.
yeah, I know, right? That was amazing, dude. That is. All right, everybody. So what'd you think about that? 39 seconds for one entire tire. So you can bring them in with a rubber if you want to, make $16.50 per tire. Or you can cut that off in 39 seconds and bring just the aluminum rim in and make a lot more money. So, Blake, that was amazing, brother. I appreciate you showing me that, man. He told me, he said, wait, you need to come back tomorrow when I have more time because it was raining when I got here. And he says, I'm going to show you how to do this where you can make some money. And like he says, one of the key tricks is cutting as close to that rim as you can so you don't have a whole lot of rubber to cut. Because if you cut it back here and you still have to cut all that rubber, it's going to take you a little more time. So the closer you cut that thing to the rim, the quicker it's going to cut off with your diamond blade. That was amazing. I loved it.
Definitely.
I loved it, man. That was 39 seconds. I spent 15 minutes. I was so mad. All right, everybody. What did you think about that? And if you know a faster way, I'm challenging you to make a video and show me faster than 39 seconds. Challenge. Is it accepted? Come on, somebody. 39 seconds. Can you beat it? Until then, do what you love and love what you do. And be kind to others always. And we will see you on the next one. And high five, everybody. I love you.